Did you know that camels don't actually store water in their humps? And what if I told you that that hump is the secret to their survival in one of the harshest environments on Earth? Stick around, because the truth is way more fascinating than the myth. Welcome to Fluffs and Facts, where today we're uncovering 10 mind-blowing truths about the incredible camel. Let's bust that biggest myth right now. A camel's hump isn't a water tank, it's a giant mound of fat. When food is scarce, the camel's body metabolizes this fat for energy. As the fat is used up, the hump actually shrinks and can even flop over to the side. Once the camel eats and rests, the hump firms up again. It's a living, breathing pantry. So if the water isn't in the hump, where is it? Camels are masters of hydration, but their secret isn't storage, it's efficiency. They can drink up to 40 gallons of water in one go. Their red blood cells are oval-shaped, not circular like ours. This unique shape allows the cells to stretch without bursting when they rehydrate quickly and also helps them flow more easily when the camel is dehydrated. Now let's talk about those luscious lashes. A camel's eyelashes aren't just for looking glamorous. They have a double layer of long, curly lashes that act as a perfect shield, catching sand and dust before it can get into their eyes. It's built-in, heavy-duty eye protection for those desert sandstorms. And it's not just their eyes that are protected. Camels can completely shut their nostrils to keep sand out. Imagine being able to close your nose on command. This is a crucial adaptation for breathing during a sandstorm. They can navigate the desert winds while keeping their respiratory system clear. Have you ever looked closely at a camel's mouth? It might look a bit strange, but it's perfectly designed for a desert diet. Their mouths are lined with tough, leathery skin, allowing them to chew on thorny plants and spiky vegetation that other animals wouldn't dare touch. They can even eat cacti, thorns and all, without getting hurt. Here's a fun one. Camels are surprisingly good swimmers. While you might not find them taking a dip at the beach, they are capable of swimming if they need to, like when crossing a river or a flooded area. It's a side of them we rarely think about, but these desert ships can also navigate the water. Let's talk about their famous spit. Technically, it's not just spit. When a camel feels threatened, it regurgitates a foul-smelling mix of stomach contents and saliva. It's a very effective defense mechanism. So, if a camel looks annoyed, it's probably a good idea to give it some space. You don't want to be on the receiving end of that projectile vomit. Despite their tough exterior, camels are incredibly social animals. They live in herds, led by a dominant male, and they communicate with each other through a series of sounds, gestures, and even by touching noses. They form strong bonds within their families, showing a surprisingly gentle and communal side. Did you know there are two main types of camels? The dromedary camel, found in the Middle East and North Africa, has a single hump. The Bactrian camel, from Central Asia, has two humps. The Bactrian camel is also more suited to colder, rockier deserts, thanks to its shaggier coat and sturdier build. So, one hump or two. It depends on where in the world you are. And for our final fact, camels have a third, transparent eyelid. This thin membrane, called a nictitating membrane, can move from side to side like a windshield wiper. It cleans sand and debris from the surface of the eye while still allowing the camel to see. It's like having built-in, see-through goggles, a perfect adaptation for desert life. From their fatty humps to their triple eyelids, camels are truly one of nature's most fascinating and well-adapted creatures. They are so much more than just ships of the desert. Thanks for joining us on Fluffs and Facts. If you found these facts as amazing as we did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more incredible animal truths. See you next time.